My future wife, make I tell you, if you are meeting, you no get respect, I no go marry you. You go cry. You go cry. You go cry, yo. Because I don't know, these children of like 2000, this Indomie generation, I don't know what they do them. Oh. Their behavior is so insolent. Baba please. I beg me and pardon me for that grammar. He dey pay me. Oh, somebody pour me water. My head is hot. My head is hot. You go cry. Anywhere you dey, na you be my future wife. If you no get respect, you go cry. I don't go marry you. See, make una change una character. Make una get respect. Na hear me, na Mr. DJ dey give am this word. More word dey come. Understand? Our mother, our father, make una advise una pikin, advise una daughter, make dem get respect for men, oh, not just for men, for people generally. God bless you.